Hey, amazing explorers, and welcome. Are you ready for the most incredible tour in the whole world? We're going inside your own body. Yep, today we're meeting the superpowered team that helps you run, jump, and play, your bones and muscles.
But hang on a second, just imagine. What if you didn't have any bones at all? What would you be? You'd be a giant, wobbly, jiggly blob. Seriously, you couldn't stand up or walk. You'd just be a puddle on the floor. So why aren't we all just blobs?
Well, the reason is because we have our very own built-in super frame, and that's the first stop on our tour, the amazing skeletal system.
Ta-da! Check it out! Meet your skeleton! This is the strong, sturdy frame that holds everything together and gives your body its shape. You know, it's kind of like the poles that hold up a tent. Without them, the tent just falls into a heap, right? Well, it's the same idea with our bodies. So, how many of these awesome supports do we have? Well, when you're a grown-up, you have exactly 206 bones, and believe me, every single one has a super important job. Your skeleton basically has three main superpowers. First up, it gives you your shape. Second, it protects all your important squishy organs. Think about it. Your skull is like a super tough helmet for your brain, and your rib cage is a shield for your heart and lungs. And third, it's what helps you move.
Okay, get ready for this, because this fact is going to blow your mind. Did you know that when you were a baby, you had way more bones than a grown-up? It's true. Babies are born with around 300 bones. As they get bigger, some of these small bones actually join together or fuse to become the bigger bones we have now. How cool is that?
Okay, so bones give us shape and keep us safe, but they can't move all by themselves. So how do we run and play and do all that cool stuff? Well, it's time to meet the body's powerful engines, your mighty muscles. You think 206 bones is a lot? Ha! Get a load of this. Your body has over 600 muscles all working hard for you. You've got big ones in your legs for running and jumping, and teeny tiny ones in your eyes that help you blink. They're literally everywhere. Now, your muscles basically come in two main types. On one side, you have the muscles you control, the ones you tell what to do. You know, when you decide to wave to a friend or kick a ball, that's them. But on the other side are the automatic muscles. These guys work all by themselves without you even thinking about it. You don't have to remember to make your heart beat or tell your tummy to digest your food. Phew, they just do it. Okay, everyone try this with me right now. Flex your arm like you're a superhero showing off your strength. Go on, make a muscle. You feel that hard lump on your upper arm? Go ahead and give it a squeeze. That's your bicep muscle. And because you decided to move it, it's one of your awesome muscles that you control. You're the boss. So we have the super frame of bones and the mighty engines of the muscles. But the real magic happens when they work together. Oh yeah. They aren't just neighbors in your body, they are the ultimate dream team.
So how do they connect? Take a look. Your muscles are attached to your bones by these super strong, stretchy cords called tendons. Tendons are like tough little ropes, connecting the muscle engines to the bone frame so they can get the job done together.
And here's how you move. It all happens in a flash. First, your brain zaps a secret message to a muscle. Second, the muscle gets the message and pulls by getting shorter and tighter. Third, as the muscle pulls, that tendon pulls on the bone it's attached to. And fourth, you move. You kick the ball, you wave your hand, you jump for joy. Hooray! But here's a little team secret. Muscles can only pull. They can't push. So, to make you move properly, they almost always work in pairs. Like when you bend your arm, your bicep muscle on the front pulls. But to straighten your arm again, its partner on the back, the tricep, has to pull. One works, the other rests. See? Perfect teamwork. All right, team, hold on tight because it is time for some totally awesome, mind-blowing body facts. Let's do a super fast, rapid-fire round. Fact number 1. The longest and strongest bone in your entire body is the femur. That's the big one in your upper leg, running all the way from your hip down to your knee. And now, from the biggest to the smallest. The absolute tiniest bone in your whole body is hiding deep inside your ear. It's called the stapes, and it's even smaller than a single grain of rice. Okay, this one is just wild. If you counted up all the little bones just in your hands and your feet, they would make up more than half of all the bones in your entire body. That's why your fingers and toes can make so many tiny, complicated movements.
And get ready for this one. Wow. For its size, a piece of your bone is actually 5 times stronger than a piece of steel. Yeah, steel. Your body's super frame is unbelievably tough.
So how can we help our incredible dream team stay strong and healthy? It's easy. You've got to power them up. Eat healthy foods with lots of calcium, like milk and cheese. Drink plenty of water. And the best part? Exercise and play every single day. Running, jumping, dancing. That's the best workout ever for your bones and muscles.
So just remember, your bones and muscles are working together every second of every day to let you learn, create, explore, and play. They are your personal, incredible body team. So my question for you is, what amazing thing will you do with them today?